Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your IP address on Windows. Before I start, I invite you to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our content. This would mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. Note that the technique I'm going to show you works on Windows, but also on macOS, iOS and Android. I will of course show you how to change your public IP address and not your private IP address, which would have little interest. So changing your IP address on Windows is very easy. If you go to this page, you will be able to see your current IP address. It locates me in Nice, France. You can even see quite precisely where I am located exactly. To change and therefore hide my IP address, I will use ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your PC and that allows you to change your IP address very easily. Note that ExpressVPN is available on Windows, but also on macOS, iOS and Android. So ExpressVPN allows you to change your IP address in just a few clicks. Let me show you. You simply have to select a location. You can choose one from the recommended locations or access all locations by clicking here. I choose a country, the US for example. Note that for some countries, such as the US, you can even choose a specific city, Washington, New York, Los Angeles and so on. I click here. Then you simply have to press this button to activate the VPN and change your IP address. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. I'll refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with the IP address of the VPN server located in Washington. As you can see, it's very easy. There is nothing complicated about it. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. So why do I recommend ExpressVPN? ExpressVPN is a safe, reliable and fast VPN available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. No bandwidth limit, so you can browse and stream without any limit. ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. The US of course, but also Canada, the UK, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Japan. It's a high-performing VPN that is completely anonymous and secure. They have a zero-log policy of course, which means they don't keep any data that could be used against you. This is very important because when you activate the VPN, it will in a way replace your ISP, and it is through it that your data will pass. It is indeed essential that you use what is called no-log or zero-log VPN, which does not keep your activity and connection logs. As soon as you connect to a server, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. The sites you visit and the apps you use will see the IP address of the VPN server and not your real IP address, so very useful to browse anonymously. I do not recommend using a free VPN as they are not secure and are very limited. Limited bandwidth, which means you won't be able to use it as much as you want, a limited number of countries, even a limited speed. Free VPNs are quite slow overall compared to premium VPNs like ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is one of the fastest VPNs, if not the fastest one. With ExpressVPN, you will be able to download and stream without any problem. Let's give it another try. I disconnect. Let's choose another location, Japan for example. I click here. It's connecting. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Japan. I refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with the IP address of the VPN server located in Tokyo. You can use any of these countries. There are 94 in total, which is huge. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. So you can have an American, Canadian, French, British, German, Spanish, Italian or Japanese IP address on your PC. Note that a single ExpressVPN subscription will allow you to use a service on up to 5 devices simultaneously. So on your computer, but also on your smartphone, tablet, smart TV, and so on. It is also possible to install ExpressVPN on your router. As stated earlier, ExpressVPN is a premium VPN. This is a paid VPN, but it costs only a few dollars per month. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free if you take a yearly plan. ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, use the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. So it's absolutely risk-free for you. If you're looking for a cheaper VPN, take a look at the description under this video. You will find a few cheaper alternatives. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to change your IP address on Windows. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you next time.